Hi, this is Sarah from the Designer Teacher and Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the March 2021 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Spring into Self-Care. When you open up your crate, you'll see this month's info card, and this just shows you everything that comes in the crate as well as where it came from. First, we have this amazing pom-pom pen. Yours could be pink, mint, or yellow. And obviously this is super fun just to have on your desk, write within your planner or write notes, but it's also great to take to a meeting if you need to lend out your pen at all, because you will definitely get this back. And the same goes for lending it out to students. Next, we have this month's wearable item. This is a handmade lanyard from the teacher-owned business Brooklyn Beadworks. As you can see, it has silicone beads in these really pretty spring colors, as well as a wooden bead. And this has a breakaway clasp for safety reasons, so it's safe to wear at school. And this is just super cute for keeping your classroom key on, or your ID, or both. Next, we have a shower steamer. This is from Blue Oak Balm, and this is a two-tone one. It has citrus, the scent Citrus Burst, and peppermint and eucalyptus. If you've never used one of these before, what you do is you take off the plastic, then you put it back in the mesh bag, and you put it in your shower near the stream of water, and then the steam creates a really nice, refreshing scent. It's kind of like a bath bomb, but for your shower. Next, we have these device wipes from Wipebees. You're actually going to get 3 of these in your March crate, and these are for cleaning any electronic devices, phone, laptop, iPad. I know we're on those more than ever, sometimes all day if you're doing remote learning or hybrid, so great to just keep those clean and smudge free. Next, we have this beautiful magnet. This is a printed painting done by Caitlin of Art with Mrs. E. She is an artist and an art teacher. You can see it's inspired by Frida Kahlo, which is perfect for me because my baby daughter's name is Frida. And then it says self-care isn't selfish at the bottom. So that's a great reminder to have on your whiteboard or on your fridge at home. Next, we have a lip balm. This is from Humble, and it is Moroccan Rose. Can never have enough lip balms. And I love the packaging on this too. At the bottom here, we have this month's art print. I'm going to start packing them on the bottom just to make sure they reach you, not getting bent or anything. It says grow as you go. This was designed by Brooke of Basic Life of Brooke. I love the springy colors and the inspiring message. Last but not least, we have this month's treat. These are Say Bonbon gummies from Le Boîte à Bonbons. You really cannot tell that I took French in high school and college. It's a Canadian company, that's why they're French. But they are these really tasty polar bears, which I know are not springy, but the colors are springy. So that is everything that comes in the March 2021 Teacher Care Crate. Again, you've got your tasty gummies, you've got your magnet, your pom-pom pen. I think this is my favorite thing. It's just really fun, I think. Your shower steamer, Moroccan Rose lip balm, handmade beaded lanyard. You get 3 of these device wipes from Wipebees, your art print, and of course just your info card. So that is everything that comes in a Spring into Self-Care crate. If you are not already signed up, make sure you head to teachercarecrate.com by March 14th to subscribe. Thanks for watching.